Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing a natural supplement called Audifort, designed to support your hearing and brain clarity. So if you've been dealing with ear ringing or feel like your hearing isn't what it used to be, this video might just be for you. Audifort is a liquid supplement made with over 20 natural ingredients to support healthy hearing. Some key ingredients include maca root for energy, grapeseed extract for ear protection, green tea for circulation, capsicum to reduce inflammation, and GABA for mental relaxation. Audifort is made for adults who are starting to notice hearing decline, constant ear ringing, also known as tinnitus, or even mental fog and lack of focus. If you're looking for a natural way to protect your hearing, this might be a great fit for you. Personally, I started using Audifort a few weeks ago because I was dealing with mild ringing in my ears, especially at night. So far, I've noticed better focus, improved sleep, and yes, the ringing has started to fade. It's not magic, but it's made a difference. There are also tons of positive reviews on the official website. People are seeing real improvements in their hearing and brain clarity after a few weeks of use. It's super easy to take. Just add a few drops to your morning coffee, tea, or juice. It doesn't have a bad taste. It's non-habit forming and completely natural. If you order 3 or 6 bottles, you get 2 free bonuses: the Deep Sleep Activation Protocol to help improve your sleep, and the Brainwire Regeneration Blueprint, packed with tips to boost brain function. And here's the best part: you get a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk in trying it out. You can buy it in bundles of 2, 3, or 6 bottles. The best value is the 6-bottle package. It's cheaper per bottle and comes with free shipping and both bonuses. I'll drop the official link in the description so you can grab it directly from the source. To sum it up, Audifort is a solid choice if you're looking to support your hearing health naturally. It's not a miracle cure, but with consistent use, it can help reduce ringing, improve mental clarity, and support overall ear health. If you're thinking of giving it a try, check the link in the description. And if you've already used it, let me know your experience in the comments. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and share this with someone who might benefit from Audifort.